Best DIY 3-person sauna. Number 1. LTCC DSS DIY 3-person sauna. Outdoor sauna -12 non-radiation carbon crystal far infrared heating plates, 2050 W, stable wave band, 100% maintained in the low EMF range for human health. 10 minutes quick warm-up, temperature control range, 68 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 65 degrees Celsius. Outdoor sauna with 6 mm tempered glass door, firmly locks the temperature inside the sauna. Outdoor sauna, 2 colorful lights, 2 reading lights and 2 Bluetooth speakers. After a long day at work, relax in the home sauna while reading. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Camlin DIY 3-person sauna. Camlin's Canadian Hemlock Home Sauna, modular design, tongue and groove design, quick assembly, easy maintenance. If leakage occurs, the protection device will automatically cut off the power supply during use. As an oversized item, you must confirm the phone number and address before shipping to prevent the carrier from contacting the consignee for a final shipping appointment. If you have any questions, please send an email. We will reply within 24 hours. Outdoor sauna or indoor sauna? Both are appealing in their way. Outdoor saunas may be more appealing than they have been in a long time. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Kunshana DIY 3-person sauna. Far infrared rays penetrate deep into the body's subcutaneous tissues instead of just heating the surface. Infrared saunas can relieve stiffness and joint pain, promote blood circulation and sleep. It also has significant effects on weight loss and improving skin tone. Home sauna. Saunas for home 2-person size is 57.9 L 40.1 W 81.1 H inch. Internal size 39.4 L 33.5 W 71 H inch. Space size perfect for 4.9 to 6.3 FT. Tall people with 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, seat load. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Sauna DIY 3-person sauna. The heating plate of the infrared sauna room is using far infrared graphene heating plate, which releases far infrared heat through heating. It can play a warming reaction, refine water molecules, activate cells, and promoting metabolism. Lowers blood pressure, detoxifies and increases blood circulation. Alleviates joint pain, ease pain from sore muscles or aching joints. Burning calories, improves skin tone among other benefits. The far infrared sauna wall is constructed with double layer boards, which can better retain heat. The heat conversion rate reaches 99% and effectively prevent heat loss. The touchscreen panel controls the time. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Yabiko DIY 3-person sauna. The materials of the outdoor sauna are all taken from the hemlock on the eastern coast of Quebec, Canada, with strong waterproof performance, high temperature resistance and low temperature resistance. Use safe and environmentally friendly water-based paint, non-toxic odorless, no harm to the body. As you relax in this luxurious sauna, your body works to maintain body temperature, burn calories and slim down your waist. Built-in 8 carbon crystal far infrared low EMF heating plates, 2050 W, stable wave band, 100% maintained in the low EMF range for human health. 10 to 15 minutes quick preheat. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.